Did you know you could rent out a room, aka get a roommate, and that person can pay off your mortgage? Here's how you do it though. You offer all sorts of amenities. One price all year, same price all year. You can go to the electric company and get how much it costs amortized over the entire year each month. Add that to the rent and offer more stuff. A cable box and TV in their room. Quote unquote free. It's not free. Nothing I'm about to say is free. Free internet, free Wi-Fi, and even dinner. And then you say dinner is at 6 p.m. sharp. I don't know American dinners. I eat dinner at like 10 p.m. I don't understand Americans eating dinner so early. But then again, I also go to sleep very, very late. But if you offer all of those amenities and maybe even laundry and have a basket for whites, colors, blacks. I'm talking about clothing. And you offer all of that, one price every month, and make sure you're not trifling. Meaning you pay your bill on time every month. There's no excuses, no discussion. Can you handle it? And you can charge as much as your entire mortgage off of one person because you're offering a whole bunch of other amenities. Thank you.